What's going on, guys? We are here, Sema 2025. This year we got a 350Z Tandem Rock Bunny and a 400Z Tandem Rock Bunny.
Welcome to the 58th annual Sema Show. The show is now over.
My name is Will. I am the owner of Concept 3 in Santa Fe Springs, California. I am here at the R1 booth about to talk about the BBKs. Personally wise, I have 3 vehicles equipped with the R1 Concept BBKs. Only reason being is the customization, the color scheme with the hats, the calipers, the bracket. It's amazing. The choices that you actually offer is different than anybody else. This 400Z, color scheme, millennium jade, black and gold. I wonder what the brake looks like.
What is up, everyone? It's your boy Wide Body Ram. We out here at 2025 Sema at the R1 Concept booth. Behind me, I have my 2024 Nissan Z Sport. I knew I was going with the R1 Concepts BBK. I got the 6-piston in the front, 4-piston in the back. So with the colors that they offered, I kind of wanted to get something that did not offset my champagne gold wheels. So I did go with that gloss black finish of the caliper. Then we got the gold lettering to the actual logo, and then we did the gold top hat. I did all the work in my garage by myself in this Vegas heat.
What's up, guys? My name is Jeff Siegert. I go by Siege Style on social media. We are at the Sema show. So I bought the car back in 2016. I've had it almost 10 years now. It was completely bone stock when I bought it, and it's actually gone through a couple of renditions before getting to this point right here. This body kit is probably something you've never seen before on the 350Z, and that's because this is the only one in the world. Yeah, so I have been a longtime fan of R1. I actually started with the big brake kit in the front back in 2019. I fell in love with them immediately because of, like you said, the different color schemes and stuff. I always wanted to run a gold as an accessory color for the car, and the color of golds that R1 was offering at the time was just tremendous. So I really love that. I didn't get to the rear brake kit until actually just recently. That was definitely a goal of mine, to make sure that we were running the complete set, just so that the whole package is complete. Great brakes.
Hello, my name is Jesse Mendez, and I own this 2015 Subaru STI. It's been 10 years that I started building this car. The car now has a Carbon Creations wide body. I've done everything myself in this car. I decided to go with the R1 Concept because the color that you want, they can work with you. They can get any color, any combination. The braking power on that thing is amazing.
Hi, I'm Nicole. I work for Barry Jackson. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, and I use R1 Concepts brakes because you guys are the only ones that make slotted rotors for my Mustang, and I just think that's great.
Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mikey with my 350Z Pandem V2. We're here at the R1 booth. In the front we have 6-piston big brake kit with 356 rotors, gold anodized hat, and then in the rear we have 345 with the 4-piston big brake kit. I had a moment where I almost hit somebody. It stopped at just in time, so these brakes are a real deal.
What's going on, guys? It's the last day of SEMA here, 2025. This day is open to the public, so you usually get a little bit more foot traffic, people grabbing the goodies, kind of checking out the cars and doing their thing. So if you missed us this year, there's always going to be another year, so we'll see you on the next one.